Alright, I thought I might make a video of this. I've got a 2003 Chevy Silverado that has had a rear end rattling noise. Every time I go over railroad tracks or bumps, stuff like that, it would just make this tinny rattling noise. When I first started hearing it, I thought it was my exhaust hitting something. Checked that, my exhaust was solid, so I thought it was a leaf spring. Then I couldn't find anything rattling the leaf spring, but it turns out it was the rear parking brake shoes. Apparently somewhere along the line, this got loose inside the drum and was just floating around freely, and every time I hit bumps it would rattle. So hopefully this video helps somebody, because I couldn't find any other videos explaining this, so hopefully this helps you.